Ladies, if you've ever felt nervous about waxing your bikini line at home, trust me, I've been there. Today, I'm breaking down every step to get you smooth, safe results without the salon price tag. Ready? Let's master bikini waxing together. First things first, preparation. Always start clean. Wash your bikini area with a mild, fragrance-free soap and warm water. Then, gently exfoliate. Think soft brush or scrub. This helps avoid those pesky ingrowns later. Pat dry and check your hair length. Aim for about 1/4 inch. That's like a grain of rice. Too long? Trim it. Too short? Wait a few days. Next, gather your supplies. You'll need a fresh bikini waxing kit. Hard wax is my go-to for sensitive spots. Grab wooden spatulas, strips if you're using soft wax, a pre-wax cleanser or rubbing alcohol, a little baby powder, and some soothing aloe vera gel. Pro tip: never reuse old wax or tools. Cleanliness is key. Step 3. Test your wax temperature. Heat it up per the instructions, then dab a bit on your wrist. It should be warm, never hot. Burning your skin is a big no-no, especially in sensitive areas. Now prep your skin. Swipe on some pre-wax cleanser or a little alcohol to clear away any sweat or oils. Dust on a light layer of baby powder. This keeps the wax sticking to the hair, not your skin. Time to wax. With your spatula, spread the wax in the same direction your hair grows. Keep it thin and even. Using hard wax, let it set for a moment until it's firm but still bendy. Soft wax, folks. Lay down your cloth strip right away and press gently. Ready for the big moment. Hold the skin tight with one hand, and with the other, pull the strip off quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Pull across, not up. This hurts less and helps prevent bruising. Immediately press your palm onto the area to soothe the sting. Keep going in small sections, but never wax the same spot twice. Your skin will thank you. Once you're done, clean up any leftover wax with oil-based wipes or even plain olive oil. Finish with aftercare. Smooth on aloe or a gentle, fragrance-free lotion. Wear loose clothes and skip hot showers, sweaty workouts, and intimacy for 24 hours. Let your skin chill. And after 2 days, exfoliate gently to keep ingrowns away. That's it. Safe, simple, and all done at home. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who deserves some self-care. See you in the next glow up.